Now we're going to take a look at some of the seeds that I've got from MI Gardener, and he's also a YouTuber that I follow. Now, these are not all the seeds that I'm going to grow for 2025, but this is just the first batch of seeds that I ordered online. Green zebra tomato, that's a good one. Mr. Stripey, kind of funky, different type of tomato. Tigerella, Nore, kind of like a tie-dye tomato. It's really cute. Vintage wine, great on like salads. Black seaman, like a classic big tomato. Striped Roma. Dark orange muskrat, like a nice little cherry tomato. Then you got regular eggplants, some nice corn, Brussels sprouts, which is a favorite of mine, artichokes, broccoli raw, which grows pretty quick, so these caterpillars don't get my plants. And then I've got 3 different kind of onions, so red burgundy onions, white sweet Spanish onions, and Elisa Craigs, if I can get them to grow pretty big. They are really nice sweet onions. And now I've got some peppers, pimento peppers, large red cherry peppers, which are great for like canning, cubanella, which are great on salads and sautés, Totoro peppers for slicing, Marconi peppers, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, Alma paprika peppers for like dried seasonings, Joe Boxer peppers, which are good for like slice and salads. And now we've got some pumpkins, sugar pie pumpkins, winter luxury pumpkins, long pie pumpkins, and honey nut squash. And these are just things that I can store through the winter. I can make pies, I can make soups, different types of things. And then I've got some squash, buttercup squash, yellow scallop squash, round zucchini squash, striped squash, and now tomatoes, which are a favorite. Black cherry tomatoes, Tula black tomatoes, Jubilee tomatoes, really fun. Chocolate striped like cherry tomatoes, which I love tomatoes because I can can them, I can make sauces, I can eat them fresh in salads, and then candula. So that's just the first batch of seeds.